Welcome to the Unified Communications Sales Enablement module. In this module, you will understand the Unified Communications services, its features and functionality. You'll get insight into target and vertical markets along with sales messaging. You'll arm yourself with sales skills that will enable you to beat the competition. You'll focus on business challenges and positioning UC as a solution. And last, you'll learn how to leverage unified communication features, benefits, and advantages to close more deals. Unified Communications is a cloud-based service that offers enterprises all of the traditional telephony features combined with advanced state-of-the-art features that enable a fully mobile and collaborative experience. Enterprises gain access to a variety of desktop and mobile clients that can replace or complement an IP phone. This enables employees to be productive whether in the office or on the go. Businesses can subscribe to only the features they need today and add additional seats and/or features as they grow. Additionally, UC services include advanced services such as conferencing, messaging, faxing, video, and screen sharing, and they're all delivered via an intuitive interface for web, desktop, smartphone, and tablet. UC services are flexible and that staff can access them from anywhere. Staff can instantly connect, communicate, and collaborate, improving productivity, the customer experience, and the enterprise's bottom line. Unified Communications is a cloud-based technology. As such, it delivers an inherent set of benefits that businesses will find compelling. From a financial perspective, Cloud UC allows for a lower total cost of ownership for enterprises in that they can eliminate the need for CapEx expenditures often associated with premise-based solutions. Additionally, UC is delivered from a carrier-grade secure network that is monitored 24/7 by 365. So there's no need for businesses to build a redundancy plan to ensure business continuity for their organization. Since UC services requires little to no premise equipment, businesses will eliminate the need for associated cost for things such as power, cooling, and even the extra space to house a phone system. Additionally, the latest features and services can be easily upgraded in the cloud without any disruption of service and maintenance or associated fees. Business owners will enjoy the reliability of a service delivered from a carrier-grade network that is completely secure, managed, and monitored. As much as the cloud offers a unique value proposition, we should not lose sight of the basics. There are a series of well-understood triggers that drive companies to upgrade their communications. They are growing and need capacity. They are moving, so it's a better investment to start over versus move an old pile of junk. They have shortcomings in the solution. Poor quality, they might need mobility, or it could be end of life. And lastly, they are CapEx constrained, so the cloud enables them to respond to the previous mentioned issues without a major cash expenditure. The benefits of cloud communications are proven. In a recent study by IBM, 25% of businesses that implemented cloud-based UC saw a reduction in their IT cost. 49% saw improvement in mobility, and 55% saw an increase in productivity. To fully understand the value that a unified communications solution delivers, you must consider the various roles it impacts within the enterprise and the value it delivers to each. As mentioned, the entire enterprise will benefit from cost savings not only associated with the service, but also the gains in productivity. By outsourcing support and maintenance to a cloud-based service provider, IT staff will appreciate the inherent redundancy from a business continuity or disaster recovery perspective. IT staff will appreciate the ease and installation that the service offers not only in the initial setup, but also in the ongoing changes required to support new employees or organizational restructures. Employees or staff members will find the simplicity offered in the user interfaces appealing and enjoy the benefits of being able to work smarter. Executives will appreciate the affordability of UC services in a pay-per-month model that eliminates the need for CapEx, and they will also enjoy the productivity gains in the workforce by enabling employees to connect from anywhere and to collaborate effortlessly across the organization. IT or administration staff will have access to an intuitive admin portal where they can make updates instantly. From the portal, they can manage things such as call routing options for both inbound or outbound calls, which will streamline cost and distribute workload for increased productivity. They can also make client updates across the organization without the need for desktop management. They can also leverage this tool as a means to ensure business continuity, since they have access to reroute incoming calls from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Employees will also enjoy a variety of benefits and features that can improve their workday and their productivity. Things such as intuitive clients that are accessible on smartphones, on the web, or on their desktop client, so that they can use one device for all personal and business calls. UC enables a truly single number capability where staff can publish one number, which they can access through an app, or dynamically forward calls to anywhere by leveraging features such as simultaneous ring or sequential ringing. These features enable staff to stay connected using any device from anywhere, increasing their productivity substantially. When using the client, staff are able to call, message, video, or collaborate with a few simple clicks of their mouse. All of these features and more enable them to stay connected, work faster, and work smarter. In addition to the features typically found in a unified communications service offering, our UC service provides advanced functionality that can be offered as part of the package or even on an a la carte basis. We've discussed the admin portal and the fact that it offers a robust management functionality for ads, moves, and updates, and the fact that it's simple to use. With this tool, admins can implement updates without the need for IT staff to even support the desktop implementations. Updates are automated and they're instant. Virtual Receptionist service provides the ability to add and maintain a menu tree that enables customers to self-select the department or employees that they're looking for. Not only can the business leverage this service to provide automated information, such as direction and hours, it also provides a fax message capability and group voicemail capability. Updates can be made real-time using our web portal or mobile app. Business Fax is a digital faxing solution that offers inbound and outbound faxing functionality. Businesses save substantial costs associated with fax machines, paper, and toner, and employees enjoy the convenience of receiving a fax message in their email inbox where they can print, store, or forward at their discretion. Our UC voicemail service replaces the antiquated answering machine by offering messaging that is delivered to an email inbox or visually accessible using an app. It streamlines the messaging experience into a truly unified messaging experience that is convenient, reliable, and cost-effective. The value of unified communications is differentiated by the user interface, or how the user or employee accesses the features and tools offered. As expected, an IP phone can be used to access the features and services offered with UC. This is particularly useful in scenarios where everyone is working in an office environment. Phones can be deployed using our zero-touch provisioning tool, enabling quick turn-up of the services. Feature buttons can be pre-assigned across all devices, and additional line appearances are available if deployed in a shared line environment. Additionally, Office staff can access a desktop client that offers the functionality of a soft phone with the additional communications options of messaging, video, and screen share capabilities. These features are not only convenient but also improve employee productivity as mentioned previously. For employees who need to be away from their desk, mobile apps are available and included in the service. These apps offer the same functionality as the desktop app, but are perfect for employees who are always on the go. Screen share and collaboration are advanced features that emulate a conference service experience. Both are multi-party services, with screen share providing instant message capabilities only, or the full collaboration service that provides full voice, video, and screen share capabilities. These advanced services alone could be drivers for an enterprise to update their communication services. When you evaluate the features available in a unified communications offering, you can break them into 3 major levels: enterprise, group, and user. Enterprise features are typically those that are usually included in the service offering, apply across the entire organization, or even the service provider's customer base. These features are typically defaulted as on as part of the activation process. On indicates that the feature is activated in the switch, whether via a service code or a switch key code. Those features marked with an asterisk should be made available but not activated as on, since specific customers may or may not actually want these features activated. Group or department level features are those that apply across a specific group or department. Many of these emulate a key system or PBX system functionality. Those highlighted impact call routing rules. In order to activate these features accurately, there is specific information that will need to be captured from the customer in order to implement. Because of this, it's recommended that the features are not automatically activated, because many service providers activate features based on the service code or billing code often associated with packages. It is recommended that these features be made available at an a la carte or individual basis. It's common to charge an incremental non-recurring service activation charge to add these features. Sales and or sales engineers can determine if customers require these features through a simple needs assessment or sales questionnaire during the pre-sales cycle. Since call routing may vary by department, it is possible for a customer to have multiple occurrences of these features. Features such as call park are set up at the group level, but also may require activation at the user level. This enables users to be included in a specific call group or department. From a service code perspective, this will drive the need for a call park group feature code and a call park user feature code. User features are those that are most commonly known and simple to understand. It is recommended that these be built as packages, the only exception being those that drive group or departmental feature activation, such as member codes for call park and hunting, and perhaps voicemail. Product managers and engineers will address packaging and activation rules prior to launching the service. However, these rules may impact your customers or how you build your quotes. It is important to understand how the feature hierarchy works. This diagram provides a sample visual flow of how features are applied across an organization. On the left, we show the various levels previously discussed, while the matrix on the right shows how the various features may be applied across levels of an organization. This sample implementation is a common scenario when providing unified communications as a replacement for a key system or a PBX system. While this implementation may seem a little complex, it is important to understand how this works so that customer experience is optimized. Successfully deploying this type of implementation will help position your solution against an over-the-top provider. Over-the-top providers typically do not provide custom solutions that emulate an experience such as this. Instead, they offer one phone, one user, with a variety of user-only packages. There are a variety of packaging strategies in the industry. This package strategy is built on the premise that users will be attracted to various packages based on their role or how they communicate. Each package includes features of the previous package listed with additional functionality based on new capabilities and more robust clients. The basic package should include all typical telephony packages and frequently offered at your lowest price point. If you're currently offering another voice business package and your strategy is to migrate your existing base, you should ensure that you have feature parity with your existing offering. And then to drive your customers to migrate to the new package, you can add an additional feature and price the same or slightly lower. Another strategy would be to create a promotion for free installation of a discounted packaging for a limited time. Any price discounts are offset by the decrease in cost for maintaining the old service or a reduction in churn for customers that are leaving because they want more advanced features. Advanced functionality in other packages may include mobility, screen share, and collaboration clients, and the features that go with them. The feature packages that you offer can also be positioned based on customer size. For medium to large customers, you may want to offer a mix of packages across the organization based on role. One of the major options you can leverage to differentiate packages is the actual client or endpoint that is used to access the features. At the low end of the market, you may offer an IP phone and potentially a desktop client, while your high-end package may include a mobile app, collaboration clients, or screen share capability. This approach will also provide you with a nice upsell value prop later down the road and provide opportunity for organic growth from your existing base as a long-term strategy. By evaluating the other features and services currently within your portfolio, you can understand where it makes sense to upsell or bundle for a specific segment. Now that you understand the unified communication service and the various pricing and packaging strategies, it is time to understand the enterprise and why they would be interested in subscribing to the UC service. The following list of business drivers is provided to give you a high-level overview into a prospect's perspective. Use these outcomes or benefits in your customer messaging and in order to pitch UC as a potential solution to your prospect's business challenge. Let's take a look at the various business trends that will impact unified communications and your prospects and potentially drive opportunity for you to sell unified communication services. The demand for mobile solutions continues to grow as businesses are doing more work with less staff. In fact, the mobile workforce is projected to grow to 104.5 million in the near term. Additionally, there's a big shift on technology spend across the enterprise market, with the highest allocations being focused on cloud, mobility, and apps. With this in mind, security continues to be top of mind on many companies' agenda, with customer experience falling only shortly behind. UC cloud-based services offers attributes and advantages that are in alignment with these projections and offer UC providers significant opportunity. As you position UC services as a potential solution to your prospects, it is important to also consider the business's industry and their workforce profile. Enterprises are not interested in buying technology. They are interested in buying solutions that help them face business challenges. For this reason, it is important that you address each opportunity with your prospect's perspective in mind and that you are able to quickly identify features and benefits that UC offers that may solve business challenges or provide a specific value to the business. In this section, we will focus on specific enterprises, verticals, and the challenges of each. Furthermore, we will position UC in a way that addresses these challenges. As you target any leading industry, it is important to think about their needs based on their primary business drivers. For example, retail, financial services, professional service companies are primarily focused on driving revenue or driving sales, while education, government, and healthcare are primarily focused on delivering quality services. The benefits offered in each of these areas should be positioned as solutions to fit each industry-specific need. Review the sales messaging overview provided that will help you accomplish this. Next, we'll take a closer look at several verticals, the business challenges they face, and how UC can provide a solution for each. The education vertical has a specific set of challenges that is addressed by Unified Communications. While there is significant opportunity to sell into this market, it is important to understand the challenges they face and how best to position UC as a solution. Top challenges to note are budget constraints, diversity in infrastructure, user base, and campus layout. Put on your educator hat as you review the following list of challenges and associated solution statements that apply. Focus on each and how UC can be positioned in a way that specifically solves an education problem. Recent studies indicate that distance learning is growing in popularity, with as high as 65% of students taking online classes. With this in mind, it is not surprising that conferencing and collaboration is ranked highest in usage of cloud-based solutions by higher education institutions. Leverage these drivers to build an opportunity for you to sell UC services. Financial institutions or banks have a very unique set of specific challenges as well. With increased competition, they are focused more than ever on providing a higher level of customer service, all while managing security risk and fraud. By offering a UC cloud service delivered on a secure, carrier-grade network, these challenges are addressed, all while meeting their requirements for streamlining cost. It is not surprising that recent studies indicate that 71% of financial service executives will invest more in cloud services. Outsourcing is projected to increase to 40%. This opens the door for you to pitch the value of UC services and enables financial institutions a means to also streamline cost by eliminating the need for capital expenditure. With our UC service, banks will be able to deliver improved customer service experience leveraging state-of-the-art features and save money while doing it. The healthcare vertical have their own unique challenges as well. Their challenges focus on patient care and their ability to balance this with compliancy, budget, and staff management. UC services keep medical staff connected and offers a pay-per-month alternative to CapEx. The variety of mobile clients it offers provides the solutions for doctors, nurses, and other medical staff that are always on the go, enabling them to offer improved patient care. Unified Communications empowers medical staff to directly improve patient care simply by enabling improved communications, whether this is directly with patients or with other care staff. Enabling collaboration features helps to streamline processes and better serve patients in a way that is cost-effective and secure. Last but not least is the retail industry. This is one of the highest growing industries and a substantial revenue opportunity for UC services. Retail also have yet another set of unique challenges that begin with the customer experience. Due to the competitive nature of this industry, failure to provide a great experience quickly impacts their bottom line. Their capital is tied up primarily in inventory, and it is common for them to have multiple store locations. Being able to seamlessly connect locations together without CapEx is a great advantage that Cloud UC offers them. Additionally, keeping staff connected within and across locations is critical. Since many of their employees are not tethered to desk, this creates an opportunity to offer mobility clients and features. Additionally, introducing advanced features such as virtual receptionists for consumers to instantly access hours and location details without tying up an employee streamlines cost and impacts customer service instantly. These types of features allow employees to focus on sales activity and increases the productivity of office staff by allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. Now that we have reviewed various industries, their specific challenges, and identified ways that UC addresses each, review this list of general business problems and needs so that you can apply the UC solution selling approach to any organization. The larger the opportunity, the higher the chance that you may find yourself meeting with C-level executives. When pitching unified communication services in the boardroom, remember to dive into the specifics of how the service can help improve company performance, streamline cost, improve financial metrics, or increase performance and customer service scores. Depending on the specific role of the executive, he or she may be more focused on one benefit over another. For each role, we have provided a list of interests on the left and a UC sales messaging statement on the right. Review these tips in preparing for the meeting and quantify the benefits as much as possible. You never know when you may have the opportunity to pitch unified communication services. Be prepared with these 5 benefits and an elevator speech, focusing again on the revenue or service advantage that unified communication services provide. A sample elevator speech is provided on the right. Here are a few conversation tips that you can use in your initial prospect interactions to help you get the UC solution conversation started. You will always run into objections. Here are a few tips that you can reference on how to specifically address the most common objections. This matrix outlines the various features and benefits offered by the Unified Communication Solution. For each feature, it provides the corresponding advantage that it delivers to the business organization. Refer to this matrix prior to your next customer call or visit. There are obviously alternative solutions in the marketplace that your customers or prospects may be evaluating and have already in place. Understand how unified communication stacks up and be prepared to pitch the value it brings to the table. To recap the value of unified communication services, it's a flexible service that can be demonstrated in the 4 NEs. Any network or anywhere, employees can stay connected from anywhere they have a connection: internet, mobile, PSTN, Wi-Fi, or private network. All this translates into communication services that have global availability, as long as there is a network connection. As an IP-based technology, UC will obviously be compatible with IP telephones, but it will also be available with any IP-based device with a user interface or operating system, which today is almost every device. Desktop computers, laptops, notebooks, netbooks, tablets, and smartphones can all participate in the world of unified communications. Provider or cloud-based UC are available anytime because the control element or feature application servers are housed in the provider network in hardened data centers, which minimizes the probability of failure at any given time. Why should you sell unified communications? Grow wallet share by delivering an affordable, convenient service to your existing customers. Win new customers by attracting new customers with an easy, inexpensive service that adds value. Maintain revenue streams. For customers wishing to replace traditional voice services, Unified Communications is a lightweight alternative. Leverage relationships to sell more. As customers grow, sell additional subscriptions for new employees or upsell higher-end packages. Grow with your customers. Work smart by selling a service with a recurring monthly revenue opportunity with commissions that continue year after year.